Okie dokie. So I am not really much of a morning person because I tend to work late, but following the responses from the post that I did yesterday about reframing your thoughts, maybe we also need to have a little chat about the deconditioning side of things. We are basically conditioned to stay small. And we are now fighting that when we are learning to roller skate, because when we are taking up space in our regular life and we're walking, our shoulders move like this. When we're skating, we have to physically take up more space because, to start with, our shoulders move like this. I think it's something I've talked about before, but probably not for a little while. So our shoulders have to move from side to side. You're not always going to move like that, but you have to move like that to start with in order to understand how to transfer your weight from one side to the other. So you have to physically take up more space, which is something we are subconsciously, mentally, probably quite uncomfortable with. So if you've ever apologized for taking up space or said sorry to somebody when it's not your fault, it's nothing to do with you, it's circumstantial, but you over apologize unnecessarily, I certainly know that I do, and it's something I still do, but I'm aware of it now and I catch myself from doing it. Understand that you're going to find things like roller skating more challenging, like you identify as one of the marginalized groups, or your identity is one that is basically not white male. You are likely to have experienced some kind of conditioning or society messaging that is designed to keep you small and not taking up the space that you should be taking up. So roller skating I see as a method to freeing your mind from these constraints and to getting out there, finding your joy, taking up the space, and generally living a happier and more fulfilled life, and just being proud of the person that you are, because you are so capable. It's just breaking through this initial part where it's really, really difficult, and understanding why it's one of the reasons that roller skating is so difficult. So have a very great day, and I hope that makes sense to somebody. Mwah.